Hi, welcome to another A-Level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. If you didn't and you want to hear my explanation, keep listening. So the graph shows the current voltage characteristic for two components. The two components are connected in parallel with a 12-volt battery which has negligible resistance. What is the current in the battery? Let's draw a quick diagram to show us what's happening here. There's the battery, there's component 1, and there is component 2. Well, the current in the battery is going to be equal to the sum of the currents in each branch. You're told the current in each branch. In the first one, it's 14 milliamps. And in the second component, it is 9 milliamps. So really simple question this. The total current, or the current through the battery, is 23 milliamps. The answer is D. If you found this useful, press the subscribe button, press the like button, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.